Good morning, students. I hope that you all are fit and fine at your home. So, this is the beginning of new session and we are going to start our videos. The first chapter that we have to discuss is temperature and heat. It is a part of physics, and in this chapter, today we will learn what is temperature and how it can be measured and what are temperature scales. Now, what is temperature? The quantity which is used to measure the hotness and coldness of an object is known as temperature. For example, let's if we touch the tea, it becomes hot, but if we touch the ice cream, it becomes cold. It is due to its temperature. So, temperature tells us how cold or hot the object is. So, a hot body is at higher temperature than a cold body. मतलब जितनी भी गर्म चीज़ें होती हैं उसका टेम्परेचर हाई होता है एज़ कम्पेयर टू कोल्ड ऑब्जेक्ट्स. सो वी कैन यूज़ आवर सेंस ऑफ टच टू नो द टेम्परेचर. समटाइम्स हम टच करके देखते हैं बट वी कांट टच each and everything, but sometimes our sense of touch misleads us. How? We can see with the help of an activity. You can read this activity from the book. What we have to do in this activity: take 3 bowls and mark it A, B and C. Pour cold water in bowl A, tap water in bowl B and lukewarm water in bowl C. Now dip your fingers of right hand in bowl A and the fingers of left hand in bowl C. बॉल ए में कौन सा वाटर है? वार्म मतलब कौन सा है? कोल्ड वाटर. और उसमें कौन सा वाटर है? बाउल सी में ल्यूकवार्म. ल्यूकवार्म मीन्स ना बहुत ज़्यादा गर्म ना बहुत ज़्यादा ठंडा. क्लियर? आफ्टर सम टाइम टेक out both hands from bowl A and bowl C. Now put both hands in bowl B. What we observe, we feel that that to one hand the water feels cold and to other hand it feels hot, though both the hands are in the same bowl. जब हमने इसको टैप वाटर वाले उसमें डाला बॉल बी में, एक हाथ को वही वाटर क्या लगा हमें, एक फिंगर को ठंडा लगेगा वही वाटर और एक फिंगर को वही वाटर क्या लगेगा, गरम. रीज़न इज़ दिस कि जो फिंगर हमारी कोल्ड वाटर में है वो उस वाटर को उस फिंगर को वो वाटर क्या लगेगा आपको गरम. ठीक है. और जो हमने हॉट वाटर से फिंगर निकाली है वो वाटर आपको क्या लगेगा, ठंडा. रीज़न इज़ दिस because when you shift your hand from cold water to tap water, your cold hand starts gaining heat and you feel tap water to be hot. And similarly, when you shift your hand from lukewarm water to tap water, your hot hand starts losing heat and you feel tap water to be cold. जब हम हीट लूज़ करते हैं तो वो हमें क्या लगता है, ठंडा लगता है. जब हम हीट गेन करते हैं तो वो हमें क्या लगता है, हमें गर्म. सो इट इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट टू यूज़ एन इंस्ट्रूमेंट विच कैन एग्जैक्टली टेल अस द टेम्परेचर ऑफ द बॉडी. सो टेम्परेचर को मेजर करने के लिए हमें क्या चाहिए, एक इंस्ट्रूमेंट चाहिए जो हमें एग्जैक्ट टेम्परेचर बता दे. ठीक है. सो द टेम्परेचर विच द इंस्ट्रूमेंट which is used to measure temperature is known as thermometer. Most thermometer contains liquid. Which liquid? Mercury or alcohol. And in the mercury, it is a metal which is shiny and opaque and uses a property. Which property? Ki it expands on heating and contract on cooling. When the mercury is heated, it expands, and when it is cooled, it contracts. So thus mercury mostly used in the thermometer. meters. Thus, thermometer is a device which is used to measure temperature of an object. So here is a thermometer. Here you can see the picture of a thermometer. It is a clinical thermometer. It is also known as doctor's thermometer. It is made up of glass and it has two parts. One is stem and the second one is bulb. The stem is thick glass tube. देखो इसमें अगेन देखो इसमें क्या है, एक पूरी थिक ग्लास ट्यूब है, इसके बीच में एक बिल्कुल पतली सी ट्यूब है which you can see in green color. This thin tube is called capillary tube, जिसका one end is sealed and other end is attached to the bulb. किसके साथ attached है? And in this bulb there is mercury is filled. So when we touch the thermometer to our body, the mercury starts gaining heat and expands to the capillary tube, and the level at which mercury comes to rest, it indicates the temperature of the body. So this is the working of thermometer. So क्या समझ में आया कि एक थर्मोमीटर दो पार्ट्स होते हैं. स्टेम जो पीछे वाला पार्ट है दैट इज़ मेड अप ऑफ थिक ग्लास, और जो आगे वाला पार्ट है स्टील वाला दैट इज़ उसके अंदर वो होता है बल्ब, उसके अंदर क्या फिल होती है? मरकरी. When we kept the thermometer under our arms or kept in the mouth, the mercury gets heated and it expands and moves into the capillary tube, and the level at which mercury comes to rest, then it indicates the temperature of the body. Then why mercury is most preferred liquid? Because of the following reasons. Because it is sensitive to heat and expands even at light increase in temperature. थोड़ा सा भी temperature increase हो जाए, it starts expanding. Secondly, it is shiny opaque liquid, so its level in the thermometer can be read easily, and it does not sticks to the wall of the capillary tube. And mercury has a freezing point of -39 degrees Celsius and its boiling point is 357 degrees Celsius. A wide range of temperature can be measured with the help of mercury thermometer. Why we can't use alcohol? Alcohol cannot be used to measure high temperature because it evaporates or changes to gas easily. Because high temperature पे ये किस पे evaporate होना शुरू हो जाता है. So that's why in the thermometer we use mercury. Most preferred liquid is mercury. Now, what are temperature scales? There are mostly 3 scales which is used for measuring temperature. First one is Celsius scale, Fahrenheit scale, and third one is Kelvin scale. Most common used scales are Celsius and Fahrenheit scales. Now, what is Celsius scale? Thermometer is said to be graduated in centigrade scale or Celsius scale when the distance between the freezing and boiling point of water is equally divided into 100 divisions. You know that the freezing point of water is 0 degrees Celsius and the boiling point of water is 100 degrees Celsius. And between 0 to 100 degrees Celsius, there are how many divisions? 100 divisions. 100 means centigrade or Celsius. So each division is termed as 1 degree Celsius. So C stands for Celsius or centigrade. And the lower fixed point is 0 degree Celsius and the upper fixed point in the Celsius scale is 100 degree Celsius. Now, Fahrenheit scale. Doctor's thermometer or clinical thermometer is graduated in Fahrenheit scale and its lower fixed point is 32 degree Fahrenheit and the highest upper fixed point that is 212 degree Fahrenheit. 212 मीन्स 100 डिग्री सेल्सियस के इक्वल होता है एंड 32 डिग्री फ़ारेनहाइट इज इक्वल टू 0 डिग्री सेल्सियस. बट इन clinical thermometer it bears markings from 95 degree Fahrenheit to 110 degree Fahrenheit, and our normal body temperature is 37 degree Celsius, which is equally to 98.4 degree Fahrenheit or 98.6 degree Fahrenheit. And we can easily convert temperature of one scale to another by using the following formulas. So if we want to convert degree Celsius to degree Fahrenheit, the formula that we have to use is Fahrenheit is equals to 9 by 5 into Celsius plus 32. And if we want to convert degree Fahrenheit to degree Celsius, then the formula becomes C is equals to 5 by 9 bracket F minus 32. So you have to learn these two formulas to convert degree Celsius to Fahrenheit or degree Fahrenheit to degree Celsius. For example, if we want to convert 37 degrees Celsius to degree Fahrenheit, then we have to use this formula, that is 9 by 5 into Celsius plus 32. 9 by 5 into 37, which is equal to 9 into 7.4, becomes 66.6 plus 32, that is equals to 98.6 degree Fahrenheit. So 37 degrees Celsius is equals to 98.6 degree Fahrenheit. So I hope that you will understand this conversion and the whole topic. If you have any problem, then you can discuss with me. Thank you very much.